First of all, open Canva app and click the plus icon. Click Custom Size and select 1080 into 608. Then, create new design. Choose background from the gallery and fill the white box. Background image download link in the description. Then, click the Elements option and search a string of 3. And choose your theme. This PNG link also in the description. Drag the PNG and adjust it. Then, click the Elements option and search photo frame and choose your favorite photo frame. And adjust the photo frame one by one. Choose your favorite photo from gallery. Click the photos and adjust it. Then, click the element option and search photo frame and choose same photo frame 2 times and adjust it between the 2 photo frames. Then choose 2 photo from gallery and adjust it. Then, click Element option and search red pin. This pin download link also in the description. Adjust the red pin like this. Then, select text option and add text according to you. Here, your cover photo ready. Just download it and upload on your social media account.